This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Peggy Laud. Charming 3-bedroom ranch, conveniently located to shopping, parks and Illini Hospital. Non-conforming 4th bedroom in the basement. Huge 33 by 18 by 14 composite deck with wiring for a hot tub. Be sure to drive alongside of the home where you could possibly add a 2-car garage. New central air is being installed prior to sale. The roof is approximately 6 years old. For more information, review the details below.